A ship travels from point A to point B along a semicircular path, centered at island X. Then it travels along a straight path from B to C. Which of these graphs best show the ship's distance from island X as it moves along its course? So if we look at this diagram over here, we have point A and point B over here, and the ship is going to travel from this point right over here to over here. And then it's going to travel from point B to point C, which is a straight line. And then first, if we assume that this segment over here, let's call it Z, is the same length all the way around the semicircle. So we could call it the radius of the semicircle. So if we assume that it's the same length all around, like it's gonna be the same length all around over here, then the distance from here, any point on the semicircle from X is gonna be the same. So if we look at the choices we have over here, for A, the distance increases and then decreases. But the distance over here is going to stay the same because it's the radius, so we know it's not A. For B, the distance remains the same, so that's true, so we can keep B. For C, the distance increases, but it's not increasing over here, so we can cancel it out. For D, it's staying the same, so we can keep it for now. And E, it's staying the same, so we can keep it for now. And then if we look at this segment over here is also going to be the same distance from X to B as Z, because it's still the radius. And however, if we keep traveling over here, the ship, like, if we make it a square, it's going to travel along here. The distance is going to decrease. Since this segment is smaller than the radius, we can assume that the distance is going to get smaller. So it's going to get smaller. And then if we keep going on the straight path, the distance is going to increase because from here to here it's still the radius, since we're assuming this segment is the same all around. So it's also Z, so then it's also increasing. So if we go from here, it's decreasing, and then it's the lowest point, and then it's back increasing from point X. So if we look at the graphs we have, this one is decreasing, and increasing, so it could be B. D is increasing, then decreasing, which is not what we have. And E is increasing all the way, which is not what we have. So our final answer is B.